compilation.
No, 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 no.
Like who's there? I'm new, come back, better than last. Listen up, never gonna look back, 'cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change, slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, 'cause that's what it takes.
Alright, go. Yeah, go. Shit! Because you got no headlights on. I'm just gonna go slow. You take my time. Yeah, he's definitely right behind us. Just get out of there. Take like your next right or whatever, but he's stuck behind two of us. Just take a right up there. I'm gonna also take a right. Cause he's gonna fucking take a right for sure. He's just following me. Just get to the house. I'm leading him the opposite way. I'm getting pulled over.
Oh my god. Sure thing. What's that, 90? 90. I'm so sorry, sir. Honestly.
Who revved it? You or him? I could hear you just coming down.
I don't know.
You don't
revved
know?
it, no.
Well, someone revved it and I pointed that at you.
Yeah.
And it was 90.
Okay.
Any reason for your speed?
Honestly, I didn't look at the speed.
You didn't look at the speed?
I didn't. I was looking at his bike because he had the blinkers still on.
Yeah.
And that's what I was going like this to him, trying to tell him his blink was on.
Yeah.
Look, I fucked up. I'm
Have you
sorry.
license?
I do, sir. It's in my backpack.
Denied.
Good 265, 3 points.
Zablokujte výjezd z Makra, jo? Prosím vás, hlídky, zablokujte mi výjezd z Makra, tam je motorka sklíží. Dajte výjezd za kamerou. A to je ono, ne? To slyším. Doklady vaše. Zůstaňte tady. Chcete zřízení nebo co prostě blbne? Chci se zabít? Chci se zabít? Nahání asi 5 auto v Ostravě.
No, I wouldn't do that.
Yeah. Hey, the reason I stopped you, well, there's a couple reasons.
Yeah.
First reason, the reason why you got pulled over is because you stopped a little bit on the other side of the limit line at the stop sign back there.
Okay.
That's not a big deal.
Hey. Gotcha.
That's the reason I'm stopping you. The other reason, we've been getting a shitload of calls about you and your buddy at the park doing wheelies and stuff.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I'm not concerned about it. It's all good. You got a fucking sweet brand new bike.
Thanks. Yeah.
It's probably a lot of fun to ride. I was really hoping to catch up to your buddy. I don't know where he went, but
Right.
just can you guys knock that shit off, because we get calls about you all the time.
Gotcha.
I have your license plate. I know where you live.
Yeah.
So I know how to find you. Do you have a M1?
Yeah.
Okay. Can I see your license real quick?
Yeah, it's in my backpack. Okay.
It's a blue and yellow
sorry.
motorcycle, and lo and behold, I see a blue and yellow motorcycle.
Right. Right.
So it's not the crime of the century. It's just we don't want to get.
No, I understand.
Yeah.
There's that.
Thank you. Where can you guys ride that is like legal?
You know, man, I don't know.
Tough, but
Yeah.
You got any buddies with property or anything?
I think he might have a friend who lives in Petaluma or something.
Yeah, because that's probably a good idea. I don't want you to get caught doing it out there, because then you technically could get arrested and you technically could have your bike towed. So I think that this is a much better conversation for me to have with you here than.
No, yeah.
Because I'm not out to jam you guys up for stupid shit. We get a lot of calls about you.
Okay, that's not good. Yeah, I didn't. Yeah.
Not at all.
Okay.
Give me just a sec. I'm not gonna write you a ticket. I'm not gonna do nothing like that.
Okay.
I'm just gonna get your info jotted down so we know how to find you if we get.
All right. Yeah.
Is your address current? Is that address current?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, got it. Sit tight for a sec. I'll be right back.
Cool.
All right. Like I said, no ticket.
Okay. Cool. Thank you.
Don't ride the bikes around because people call us and.
Gotcha.
Your info is logged in there. I don't know who your buddy is. I don't really care. I'm just talking to you.
Okay. Gotcha.
Your info's in there, so next time we get calls out there, I'm just going to go to your house. And
Okay.
You live by yourself with roommates, parents?
No, parents.
Yeah, I was going to end up bugging your parents about it.
Okay. Gotcha.
I don't want to do that because I'm not the petty police, but I just don't like having to go to the same call over and over again.
Okay. Yeah. Sorry about that.
That's okay. Your driver's license.
Cool.
Enjoy the bike. Just do it somewhere better.
Thank you. All right. Have a good one. Well, that guy was hella chill.